Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through fixing the "you must reset your password before continuing" error on Roblox. This isn't a ban, it's a security lock because Roblox thinks your account might be compromised. Let's jump right into the solution. The only way to get past this screen is to actually create a new password. You cannot bypass it. Click the button that says Forgot Password or Username right below the login field. Enter the email address or phone number linked to your account and click Submit. Check your inbox for a reset password link or your text messages for a code. Click the link, create a brand new password, and then try logging in again. If you already reset your password but the error message keeps popping up every time you log in, your browser is likely stuck on the old data. On your browser, like Chrome or Edge, click the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then Delete Browsing Data. Select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files, then click Delete Data. On mobile, uninstall and reinstall the Roblox app to clear its internal cache completely. Sometimes this error unlinks your email, or maybe you lost access to it. If you can't get the reset link, you must contact support. Go to the Roblox support website. Fill in your username and a working email address so they can reply to you. Under Type of Help, select Account Hacked or Can't Log In, and then Forgot Password. In the description, explain that you are getting the Must Reset Password error but do not have access to the linked email. They will usually ask for proof of ownership, like a receipt from a Robux purchase. And that's it. Your account should be secure and accessible again. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and take care.